And good morning, vloggers. This morning it is here, the bad weather. As you can see, the trees are almost being blown over. So I'm going to sort of make sure I'm not underneath any big trees today. We're supposed to be getting major rainstorm after the winds come through. So I'm going to keep an eye on the radar. We might actually take Patrick for walkies a little bit later too. I also am looking at working out how to use my new editing software. So I have Adobe already, I've been using, but I'm going to try Final Cut Pro. So stick around, might give you some sneak peeks in what I'm doing. Right, more to do. Well, finished downloading Final Cut Pro. Now, just going to quickly make a salad for lunch. So stick around, see how it goes. Told you guys that I was going to show you Final Cut Pro that I just finished getting all downloaded and installed. So here it is. Awesome. So I've just started working out how to do all these bits and pieces. So this is a daily vlog from a couple of days ago where I saw the dolphin fish at Tooradin Village, and you can skim through most of the clip and right down to wings and fins. So I'm going to start doing some more edits on this. I'm going to be hopefully starting the recreation of my urban exploring part of my channel that I was doing. All those files sort of got corrupted, didn't actually load properly, so I'm having to start them all again. This program is the one that's going to help me. So, cheers. I'm very happy with this program. It does lots of different things, and it also automatically can upload to YouTube, so that's the best part that I saw about it. Also, it grabs most of my library and bits and pieces. I also have other places where I also grab sound effects from. So like I've got what are these, royalty free Up and Happy music. So let's have a look at and these are all ones that I can use for free in part of my my vlog. If you guys want to check it out, it's AudioBlocks.com. They have a lot of royalty-free music that you can just download and use. What else have I got here? So I've got, let's see what I'm going to put into my vlog soon. Let's look at this one. So just hold it over it. That's more of like a driving bit. I could possibly use that in an upcoming vlog. Or this one, a long awakening. What other effects have we got here? We'll get some birds. Now these are also sound effects that I can chuck in every now and then, so let's have an early bird. City pigeons. See what else have I got here that sounds good. Oh, a duck. I'm duck mad. That one sounds good. A mad duck. Or duck too. Okay. Alright, I'll get out of there. Oh, a mockingbird. Oh, baby duck. something for the patty. What was that? What was that? Where was it? Where's that, Patty? What's that? Yeah. I'll stop teasing the dog now. But yeah, some of these effects are awesome. I've also got other things that I can put in for my my videos as well, for some different effects that I'm going to be doing soonish. So I can use these kinds of video motion and put bits and pieces in between. But yeah, I'm going to pack this up because I need to cook my dinner. Stick around. Hopefully I'll get some more videos out. And this one might take a little bit longer to upload, guys, because I'm going to try and use the new software. So stick around. Also, this other program that I use to get video is called VideoBlocks. Check them out at videoblocks.com. So it's that time again today. So I'm going to have to sign off because I've got to dish up and heat up my dinner. This is leftover roast chicken from yesterday. Check out the links in the description below on how to make a homemade barbecue chicken, and also the stuffing that goes in it too. And also check out the links for AudioBlocks and VideoBlocks in the description below as well, on how to get some copyrighted free videos. So just remember, if you've seen anything you like in these videos, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget, if you've got any comments, questions, or things I can be doing better, leave it in the comments field below on YouTube. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button, get notified when I do these. My daily vlogs, Urban Explorer, What's in the Box, Cooking with Craig, car maintenance, you name it, I film it, it ends up on YouTube. So hit that subscribe button. And until next time, see you in the next video.